Good afternoon, everyone. I am here to discuss the December quarter preview for the IT sector. As we all know that December quarter is seasonally a weak quarter for the sector, and this quarter is no exception. We expect a 2.5 to 3.5 kind of top line growth for the top 4 IT company. The soft top line growth is owing to the fallouts in the key industry vertical for the top 4 IT companies, and coupled with lower billing days for the quarter as relative to the other 3 quarters. So we expect a soft kind of volume growth for the top 4 IT company. Company-wise, Infosys, we expect the organic growth in the top line will be close to 1.3%, but including the Lodestone Consulting acquisition they have done recently, they are going to include the financial of Lodestone Consulting for 2 months. So we expect a 3.7% kind of top line growth coming in from Infosys. For TCS, we expect a 3.4% kind of top line growth, whereas for Wipro, we expect 2.6%, and for HCL Technology, we expect 2.9%. In the mid-cap space also, except CMC, where we expect a decent 5% kind of sequential growth. Other companies under our coverage like NIT Technology, Persistent, and Polaris expect to show the soft kind top line growth for the quarter under review. On the margins front, we expect most of the company to show a decline in the margins. It is largely on the back of the slow top line growth coupled with the absence of any major currency benefit during the quarter. Whereas there is a sharp depreciation of the rupee vis-a-vis USD during the quarter, which is almost depreciated by 3%. So in last quarter, most of the mid-cap IT company has reported translation loss in their P&L. So we believe that this quarter is going to reverse, and that is going to reflect in a sharp jump in the net income for the quarter. For mid-cap company like NIT Technology, CMC, Persistent, Polaris, we expect a sharp jump in the net profitability for the quarter. On the guidance front, we expect Infosys to cut its organic guidance for FY13. It's currently stood at least 5%. We expect it to cut to around 3.6 to 3.7%. However, including the Lodestone Consulting numbers, there will be a marginal increase in the guidance for FY13 for Infosys. For Wipro also, we expect the guidance to be around 1 to 3% for Q4 FY13. Coming to the valuation front, we continue to draw more comfort from the mid-cap IT space. We continue to like companies like Persistent Systems and CMC. We have upgraded our target price for Persistent from 550 to 600 now. In that top tier IT company, we like HCL Technology. We currently have a buy recommendation on the stock, and we upgraded the target price for HCL Technology to 700. Thank you.